Today I finished prepping the Civic for paint. So I am hopefully coming to the end of paint prep, which is basically sanding the crap out of your car. I have got the Bondo and the dents worked out mostly. Passenger side was a lot easier than the driver's side, and there's some damage or dents to the door on the driver's side, but I think I've worked it out to the best of my ability and to what I am comfortable with keeping. This is a race car, it is not a show car. It'll be as good as I want it to be, and I'm okay with that. Please go subscribe to Adam's page, Throttle Chaos Garage. He is painting my car, and I want you guys to go show him some love and check out his page. Please subscribe to his channel. You know, we are working together. I want to use our YouTube fans to help build his YouTube channel up, because he is a growing YouTuber and I want to help him out build his channel. He's got some really cool cars going on. He's a fabricator and he's a painter. He has got some cool stuff happening over at his garage. Plus, you will get to see the painting of my Civic on his channel. So go subscribe, so when that comes up, you can see my car get painted over on his channel. Today, what we're gonna do is I'm taking my DA sander. It's an electric orbital sander that I got from Harbor Freight, 6 inches. Basically gonna be doing the final sanding prep on the car, get it ready for the primer to go on. Adam said I can use 220 grit and get the body ready for his primer. Primer he uses will be able to fill those scratches and work fine. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So let's get going on sanding this beast. Hopefully get it done this weekend, because next weekend is paint. Here on the left, that is 120 grit scratches, which I'm going over the 80 grit, which you can see here on the right. So you want to increase gradually so you can get a finer scratch pattern, and whatever your primer is going to fill, you want to get it to. The front end is ready for paint. The reason why I took most of the paint off on the hood especially is because Adam at Throttle Chaos recommended that if you have a bad paint job that is peeling, you know, one of those cheap places that do it for 500 bucks, he's like, you need to get rid of most of that paint, because you lay new paint on top, it's gonna wanna peel up. So that's why I took the paint off of the hood mostly, because I didn't want to get this nice paint job and then it come up in a year or so. So you don't have to do that if you have a good paint job, or like the rest of the car is Honda factory paint. So I am just going to be doing the 220 grit on the whole car to get the body ready for primer at Throttle Chaos. That's what Adam recommended, because he says his primer will fill those scratches and it works really good. So I'm just gonna take the sander now, go over the whole car with 220 grit, and hopefully I'll be done with that part. bad news about my bumper is I thought that this one would be fine, but when I really started to dig into sanding it, there's gouges like these here and just pitting and from all the rock dents. And it really wasn't worth it to try to get this smooth or Bondo or whatever because it's just cheap plastic. So Adam at Throttle Chaos recommended I just buy a new one. I bought a new bumper and a new grill to send over to him. So we'll have those parts ready when I get there. And then I sanded down my spoiler, license plate bezel, and side skirts. So the auxiliaries are done. Almost done with the car. I'm gonna do a little bit more sanding just to make sure everything is at the 220 grit that I need. And then I'm gonna start putting pieces back together because I have to drive it to his shop in Orlando, which is about an hour away. So I will do that now.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So I bought a toe strap a while ago, so I decided to install that now before I go to the track because I really don't have any time before the track day. So I'm just marking the location on my bumper bar here with a pencil. And then basically you just have to drill a hole through the bumper bar on this model of Civics because there's no holes to really attach the toe strap to. So I use a piece of masking tape to just line up the top hole and with the bottom hole that I'm going to drill. So I just use a ruler to make sure that the holes are lined up. And then I drill the bottom hole. And I take some hardware that I bought. This long bolt, I believe it was 5 inches long, which may be a little too long, but wanted to be sure. And I bought some washers and some nuts and just test fitted all of it up. That is it for paint prep. Oh, I am exhausted, but I think the car is in good shape and is ready to get primer and paint. So here it is. You can see from these clips that it is looking pretty weird, but I got the car packed, and this Friday, which is a few days from now, I will be driving up to Orlando and dropping it off with Throttle Chaos Garage. Go to his page, click the link in the corner. and go over and subscribe to his channel. Please subscribe to our channel. 75% of our viewers are not subscribed. What are you guys doing? Click the RM logo at the bottom. Click anywhere on the page. You can get to our channel and subscribe. Then go to Throttle Chaos Garage. There'll be a link in the description, and you can subscribe there. Click the link on the screen. You can subscribe there, or I will put his logo at the end. It'll be a circle next to our logo, and you can subscribe there. Stay tuned, guys. Next episode, I will be dropping the car off and helping Adam prep it for paint, masking and getting some parts off and stuff like that. So stay tuned. So that'll be my episode next. And then on his page, he will show you guys the painting process of the Civic. So make sure you subscribe so you can know when those episodes are coming and you can see my car get painted. So thanks for watching, and see you guys soon.